In 2024, I got 3 big offers, and one of them was Microsoft. Here's what I wish I knew before I started applying. Number 1, fix your resume. Every line should show action plus impact. Don't just write tasks, write the results. You are the salesman and your resume is the pitch. Number 2, create stakes. When I was in Infosys, I prepared for 6 months, but I never applied. I felt I wasn't ready actually. But once when I started applying, I started facing rejections. But after every rejection, I started getting better. Number 3, track everything. While preparing for it, not just lead code, I used to track my interviews. I used to track what questions they asked, what I answered. Sometimes I recorded voice notes post-interview, and that was a game changer. Don't wait to feel ready. Apply, fail, learn, and repeat. Your next offer could change your life, like mine did.